Guys, today let us solve count subarrays with given XOR. This is similar to the last problem we have solved. So basically we need to find the subarrays having XOR that have the XOR equal to the given element given K. Let's say if we have 4 comma 2, the XOR of it is 6, and 4 2 2 6 and 4 is the continuous subarray having the XOR 6. So to solve this, let us take the examples of sub arrays with sum k. Instead of using prefix sum, we use a prefix XOR. And let us take the result as 0, and let us traverse through the array, and let us update the pre XOR every time with the array of I. And if the pre XOR is equal to k, we add 1 to it, and if the pre XOR minus, sorry, not minus, let's say pre XOR of XOR of k is in the dictionary we took, we add the frequency of the pre XOR that appears in the dictionary, and let us update the dictionary every time. If the pre XOR is in d of pre XOR plus equal to 1, and let's say if doesn't appear anytime, let's say d of pre XOR equal to 1, and let us return the result in the end. So let us be a little overconfident today. Let us directly submit this. Yeah, it is successfully solved. So basically you need to remember the same thing that you need to do in the subarrays with some k for the given XOR. This applies for anything related to subarrays with a given value needed. And if possible, check the article. And we have solved it under the given time complexity and auxiliary space. Guys, a little update that the lead code videos are going to start from today. Our admin is in a work, and we are going to be a little active from this point. And if you are still viewing our channel and thinking that let us give a like or share or subscribe, please do it. And we'll be coming up with some good content in the coming days. Please stay tuned, and hope you have a nice day. And please remember that I am also in the same level as you. I am not a great guy, but let us do something every day, something good. Thank you, and bye.